Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung's Galaxy A series 2026 best models, the Galaxy A57 5G and Galaxy A37 5G, have already been launched. Now, Samsung is focusing on its more affordable phone of the 2026 A series. According to the latest available data, the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G spotted on the Geekbench database is likely to be powered by a powerful chipset, higher memory, and many other new upgrades. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung's next mid-range phone is already making headlines, ahead of its official launch. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy A27 has now surfaced in early benchmarks and fresh leaks, offering a clearer picture of what users can expect. After introducing the Galaxy A57 5G and Galaxy A37 5G recently, it seems Samsung is now gearing up to launch the more affordable Galaxy A27 5G. A Geekbench listing of this purported smartphone has now been spotted by an ex-tech tipster, which suggests that the device may use an old octa-core processor, probably due to rising hardware costs in recent times. This also suggests that the new Galaxy A27 5G could soon get a formal launch in global markets. What are the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G expected phone specifications? According to an ex-post by tipster Abhishek Yadav, a device with model number SM-A276B has now appeared on the Geekbench benchmarking platform. This is believed to be the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A27 5G. It is mentioned to be powered by an octa-core ARM-based processor, built on the ARM v8 architecture, with 4 cores clocked at 1.80 GHz, and another 4 cores running at up to 2.40 GHz. The core cluster points to a Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, which also powered last year's Galaxy A36 5G. Further, the phone scores 777 in single-core, and 1802 points in multi-core on Geekbench. The listing also mentions that the phone may come with an Adreno 710 GPU and supports 6 GB of RAM. It is also shown to run on Android 16, which likely means that the phone may boot One UI 8.5. The global and US variants of the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G were also recently spotted on the IMEI database. These regular appearances on such listings suggest an imminent launch for this smartphone in select global markets. More details around the phone, including its display, cameras, battery specs, and pricing, could be revealed in the coming days as we head closer to the launch. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.